All right. So the next question. Question number 5. What precautions should be taken when using fabric softeners? Well, what is a fabric softener and how do you use them? And then we can see what precautions we need to take. There are 2 kinds of fabric softeners. There is the one you put in the wash and the one you put in the dryer. Okay? This goes in the wash machine, this goes in the dryer. They work differently. They give you similar results. All right? So let's talk about this one. The one that goes in the washer. It adds a scent to your fabric. It keeps static cling away, and it makes things softer. What it does is actually puts a film on your fabric. It actually puts a layer of chemical on your fabric, which is what keeps the fabric soft and smelling nice. Now, I'm allergic to most scents, so I get fabric softener that has no scent, so I don't get that benefit from it, but it does make things softer and not have static. And in the wintertime, especially up north, that can be a problem. Now, this fabric softener goes in the dryer. It also takes care of static cling, gives very little odor, if any at all. This one doesn't give any because it doesn't have a perfume to it. And it doesn't give, the odor it gives is not as strong and leaves less on your clothes. So the effect of the softener goes away faster than this one. All right? Now, what precautions is what the question was. Turns out that both of these will stain your clothes. And you're washing them, right? So you don't want to stain it. So what you need to do is this has to go into the water, not the fabric. Because once it's diluted in the water, it's not going to discolor your clothes. So many washing machines have a place where you load the fabric softener in a little bin, and it dispenses it with the water, causing it to be diluted, doesn't cause you a problem. If your washing machine doesn't have that and you want to use it, you stop the machine when it's rinsing and full of water, move the clothes away, put it where there are no clothes, swoosh it in, and then start your machine again. That will keep it from staining on your clothes. Now this doesn't have the same problem. It will stain. If you're drying in really hot dryer, it may stain. If it does, if either of these do stain, what you do is you rub the spot with a bar soap, not a detergent, with a soap. And when we talk about stains, we'll talk about detergents versus soaps. But you rub it with a bar of soap and then rinse it by hand in warm water and just keep rinsing it until it comes clean. All right? So there's a way to get that stain out if you happen to get one on your clothes from the softener. So the precaution, you're going to take a precaution against staining by diluting it in water, and don't use dryer sheets in really hot dryers. All right? All right, so I think you have enough to answer question number 5 on your precautions.